Today, I'm at the Biloxi Manufactured Housing Show in Mississippi, and behind me is a 397 square foot, one bedroom, one bathroom park model from Brookside Cabins by Franklin Homes. That was a mouthful. What we're gonna do today is take a quick tour around the outside, and then I will duck inside and we will see what this thing's all about. Let's check it out. All right, first things first, I think we gotta talk about the look of the Blue Wing, because it's kind of got a coastal cottage look with the white board and bat siding. They've got a porch on either end, and they've got a metal roof. All in all, I am a fan of the look. So what we've got here is, this side is the main bedroom, okay? So that porch is a sliding glass door right out of the main bedroom, or the only bedroom, I should say. So if you want to wake up, have a bit of coffee, go out and enjoy the morning, you can do it right outside the bedroom. Let's have a look at this porch. So both porches have this same wood accent in the ceiling. They both have the ceiling fan. You definitely would not need a fan on a day like today because the wind has absolutely been whistling through here. Have a look at that flag. It's been going nonstop all day. So there's the poster there. It's Brookside Cabins by Franklin Homes. I don't know if it's a fully separate website or if you're gonna find this model from the Franklin Homes website, but I will link it down below in the description. It appears that the deck on the front of this park model is a little bit longer. When we get inside, I'll check the plan and give you the dimensions on that, but let's have a look at this covered porch right here. I do like it. So the difference between the two doors is the other side had the sliding glass and this one has more of a garden door. Let's back up and get one more look at this. Then I'm heading up the stairs. We're going inside. At the end of the home, you can see they've got the garden door with the full window. You got the exterior light on either side, just in case you happen to be sitting out here at night, or if you're inside and want a little bit of privacy, they do have the blinds built right into these windows on the door. Heading inside, the first space you land in is the living room. They've got a couple windows on the outside wall, and as I pan around, couple things to look at. They've got the built-in storage facing the living room right there, and a peninsula that comes out that is just creating a little bit of separation between the kitchen and the living room. On this side, space for a dining table, and one of the things that I noticed as soon as I came in is the ceiling has the wood just like the porches, which does give this park model that cottage look that I think quite a few people are looking for. So they've got luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, which is always a bonus. We're gonna head up into the loft in just a second, but let's start in the kitchen of the Blue Wing. One of the things that I noticed when I came in here is they've got full size everything throughout the home, and you'll see what I mean as we go through. So drawer there, the cabinet down below. They've got kind of a little bit of a rustic looking door on the cabinets, which fits the motif of the Blue Wing. Cabinet above the microwave and another one beside. So have a look. You got the stove here, little bit of prep space between, and then you've got this what appears to be an oversized sink for a 397 square foot home. But a lot of people don't want to compromise on size, even though they're in what could be considered a tiny home. Again, full size fridge here, double door bottom freezer. You got the cabinet up above and two more in the corner. As far as windows go, natural light coming in behind the sink, both up and down. Quick look at the loft. Let's continue further back into the home. Again, you got the full size stacking washer dryer in the hallway, so you can still wash all of your clothes at one time. It's not like you're running mini loads or using a combo washer dryer unit. You've got them both. You can wash, you can dry, and you can do it at the same time. barn door onto the bathroom here. As we go in, you'll see window there. You got the vanity. Typically, you're gonna see a mirror. I'm guessing they just didn't bring it to the show for whatever reason, I'm not entirely sure. And you've got the tub shower on this side. This ceiling is a little bit lower, and that is for the loft up above. You get that space above. It's not like you're gonna hit your head on the ceiling in there, so not a huge deal. At the back of the home, this is the main bedroom, and it's got the sliding glass door out to the covered porch on that side. So if you wake up, you want to go outside, enjoy the morning, you can do it right from the bed. You hop out of bed and away you go. Built-in side tables on either side of the bed, kind of a nice touch. And I will pan up, we'll go from the shiplap to the wood ceiling and have a quick look at the ceiling fan. Going back this way, oh, they got the dresser right there. Should probably mention that as well. Electrical panels there. Coat closet or storage closet, depending on what you want to put in here, on either side of the washer dryer. People are always interested in where they can store their things. So there you have it. 2 storage closets on either side of the stacking washer dryer. Heading back this way, we'll get one more look at the living space. They got the mini split up above. I'm going to turn up this way. We'll hit the steps and go take a quick look at the loft. So you're definitely going to have to scramble in this one to get over to the bed. That looks to be a double bed, and if you notice, you would have enough for another one right there because it is firmly on the far side or the far half of the home. Look over there, you got 3 windows into the loft on this side, another 3 on the left-hand side. So technically speaking, you got sleeping, if you put 2 people up there, sleeping for 4. If you wanted to put a sofa bed there, let's call it sleeping for 6. I'm gonna head out the back door because I want to get one last look at this back porch, and then we'll wrap it up. So, very similar. You got the wood accent, you got the ceiling fan, and if I turn around this way, you've got the matching exterior lights on both porches. This is the Blue Wing from Brookside Cabins by Franklin Homes. It is a very cool little park model. I'm impressed. There you have it, folks, the Blue Wing, a 397 square foot, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, plus loft park model from Brookside Cabins by Franklin Homes. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.